Hi viewers, welcome back to Inish Kitchen with yet another interesting recipe. Today we are going to make
fruit bread made with banana and raisins. This bread does not require kneading, no milk and no sugar. This recipe is so easy and today I am going to convince you to make your own bread. Yeah, your own bread. Ooh la la, I am ready with my bread. Serve it for breakfast or tea time snack. Before we start the recipe, let me remind you, if you are watching my channel for the first time, do click on like and subscribe button so that you will be notified of all my future uploads. Let me quickly show you how to make this super soft healthy bread. Here I have all my ingredients ready for the bread. Mix them all in 5 minutes, rest it and just pop into the oven and bake for 20 to 25 minutes. That's all. I love banana recipes. So I am taking 3 ripe bananas, but this recipe can also do well with 2 bananas. With a fork, press and mash them well. Add 1 large egg. Active dry yeast. Nowadays, these instant yeast is easily available. Instead of active dry yeast, you may also use regular yeast. Take same quantity of yeast and add it into a warm water along with 1 tablespoon sugar. Mix and allow it to rest for 10 minutes and the yeast is ready. Add melted butter and mix well. If you are using a stand mixer or a hand blender, life is more easy. Just pop in all the ingredients at the same time and mix well. Salt and now add in the raisins. Our today's bread is banana bread and mixed with raisins. So definitely raisins has to be there. While making the bread, always make sure to use the fresh flour, fresh bread flour or all-purpose flour or self-rising flour. For this recipe today I am using self-rising flour. You can also do the same with plain flour. The freshness of the flour definitely affects the quality of bread. The half batch is mixed well and now add in the remaining flour. I will reserve half a cup of the flour to mix the dough. If you have spatula, it is easy to scrape the dough from all the sides and collect the dough at the center. Cover and keep for 1 hour resting. Just before the dough is ready, preheat the oven and set it to 190 degrees Celsius. The dough has perfectly risen. Don't worry if the dough looks too much sticky. This is a sticky dough bread. Now add in the remaining flour and mix. Unlike the regular bread, this dough does not require kneading. Grease the baking tray with some butter. But I would recommend that you line the baking tray with parchment paper as it helps to easily pull out the bread. Look at the dough size. Now I will cover and allow it to rest for another 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, the dough looks absolutely gorgeous. So friends, if you like this recipe, do give a thumbs up and do click on the subscribe button and the tiny little notification bell. By enabling the bell button, you will receive instant notification alert whenever I upload any new recipes. So don't forget to click on the notification bell. Now let me bake it at 190 degree for 20 to 25 minutes until the top turns slightly brown. The bread is out of the oven. Ooh la la! I am jumping with joy seeing my bread, and I'm so happy to share this easy peasy recipe with you. Friends, how do you like to have your bread? With jam, with butter, some chocolate, or with some curry? The bread is so soft and spongy. The raisins have plumped up. And look at those air pockets. They look so beautiful. And while this cools down, let me grab some fruit jam, butter, and Nutella paste or chocolate paste. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like this recipe. Stay connected until I come up with another interesting recipe. Happy cooking!